Hello, so good morning guys. I'm right here to give some tutorial for my ate para mag-cut ng music. So now, I'm using Vegas Pro 15. Kung gusto nyo ng tutorial pa sa iba't ibang videos, just click the notification bell and subscribe for more videos and updates. Now, we are waiting for the Vegas Pro 15 to load. And yeah. So as you can see, it is registered and it is Pro. We will make another project because that's my freaking documentation shit. Now, so as you can see, there is a blank space. You can choose your music here. For example, music. Yun. Kiss Me. Open. And then drag this here. Nope. Oh, it's a music video, but if it's music video, you can press letter U, and then you can delete this video, and then the audio will remain. So you can delete this track, and as you can see, you can play the audio by pressing space. And then you can cut it pressing S. Pop. And then cut letter S, letter S, letter S, letter S. And then drag it down, drag it down, drag it down. If you want to chop it down, just press letter S. Letter S stands for trim. That's the key. And then, if you want to fade it in, you can drag this into the other slide. So, here it goes. Yan. So, yeah, you can choose other song. Then drag it down, chop, 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 delete. Yan. Pag fast forward, press Control, click. Pag i-slow mo, Control, palayo. And then, pag i-render na, double click ha, double click. Ito yung pang-render. Kung ano yung sakop ng pang-render. Yan. Pero yan lang. Pero kung syempre, kung lahat na, kung tapos ka na, ilahat mo, dapat sakop lahat. Gets mo? Ganon. Tapos yan. Tapos punta ka dito, render as. Dahil audio ka lang, wala ka namang video, MP3 ka lang. Yan. Dito ka lang sa MP3 audio. It's up to you kung anong gusto mo. Pwedeng ito, pag 320, pinakamalakas yun. Siyempre, pag mababang number, mamahina. Kung pang speaker yan, edi dapat 320. Baguhin mo yung title o tutorial. Yan. Tapos i-render mo yan. Pagka-render mo, hindi. Ilagay mo muna ay sa music kung gusto mo. Save. O. Render. Yan. Mabilis lang yan. Open folder. Tapos, i-check mo Pagka-play mo, MP3 lang yan. When I feel so sad. When I feel so sad and lonely. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye-bye!